Joint in masonry. In order to secure the stone firmly with each other, the following joints are provided. One butt or a square joint. Second one is rebated or lapped joint. Third one is tongued or grooved joint. Fourth one is table joint. Fifth one is a saddle joint. Sixth is rusticated joint. Seventh one is plugged joint. Eighth one is dual joint. Ninth one is crimped joint. So you can see the first in the figure, the butt joint. Butt or it is also called a square joint. In this type of surface on one stone is placed against the another. You can see in the figure. Second one is rebated or the lap joint. You can see the figure, rebated joint. In this type of rebates are provided which prevent the movement of the stones. The length of the rebated depends on the nature of the work, but it should not be less than 70 mm. This joint is used for arch work or the gables. Third one is the tongue joint. In this is also called a groove joint. It is a type of a projection is kept on the stone, and corresponding to the sinking is provided in the other stones or the other. This joint is also known as jugal joint. You can see the figure, jugal joint. The fourth one is table joint. In this type, a jugal is formed in the bed of the stones to prevent the lateral movement. The depth of the projection is about 1/3 of the breadth of this stone. This type of the joint is used to case of structures such as sea wall where the lateral pressure is heavy. The fifth one is saddle or the water joint. In this type of joint rounded off. This type of joint is provided to the protections of joint of the and such other weathered surfaces. You can see that in the figure. The sixth one is rustificate joint. In this type of cementing is made on the lower joints. You can see the figure. Seventh one is plug joint. In this type of the well shaped mortises are provided adjacent to the stone placed in the position. You can see the dual joint. It is a type of the hole is out into each stones, and the loose dual, which are the small pieces of hard stone, generally are inserted or removed with the cement. The dual are generally 25 mm thick and 100 mm and 150 mm long. Cramped joint. In the type of cramps are usually inserted of well. The cramps are the piece of the non-corrosive metals such as the geometric etc., and their ends are turned down on the depth about 40 mm to 50 mm. The length widely. The thickness of the cramps are vary 200 from 300, 25 to 50 and 5 to 10 mm respectively. You can see the wall is one of the most essential components of building. The primary functions of wall is to be enclose or divide space of the building it to make it more functional and useful. The functions of walls like to provide protections frost, weather, animals, and to divide the area.